So in the xy plane, the graph of the given equation is a circle. Yes, this is the equation of a circle. What is the area of this circle? So in order to find out the area, the formula for finding out the area of the circle is pi r square. So that means we need to know the radius of this circle. Now how can we find out the radius of the circle when the equation of the circle is given to us? So for that, you should know the standard form of the equation of a circle. This is not the standard form. The standard form is given by x minus h square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where r is the radius and h comma k are the vertices, h comma k are the coordinates of the center of the circle. But this equation, the given equation, this equation is not given to us in the standard form. Now I have seen many students making this mistake that they think that this 30 is the radius. They think that 30 is the radius, but it's not. Or they try to find out the square root of 30 and they mistakenly think that the square root of 30 is going to be 15, and they find out the area of the circle by thinking that 15 is the radius and they get 15 pi, which is incorrect. So our first step is going to be to convert this equation into the standard form. So that means now we need to complete the square. How do we convert this equation to the above equation? We will complete the square. So for the first two terms, I am going to add a 25, and since we are adding a 25, so we need to also subtract 25, and I'm assuming that you know how to complete a square. Then for y square minus 6y, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 square is 9, so we add a 9 and we subtract a 9. So these three terms make x minus 5 whole square, and these three terms make y minus 9 whole square. And we are left, so finally we are left with, so we get x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square, and you have minus 25 minus 9 is equal to 30. Okay, so minus 25 minus 9 is going to be minus 34. And all of this, and then finally I add a 34 on both the sides, so finally we get the equation x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square is equal to 30 plus 34, which is 64. So now if we compare this equation with this one, so that means that the radius is 8 units. And then the area of the circle is going to be pi times r square. R square is going to be 64, so 64 pi is the correct option.